Madagascar, a magnificent tropical island in the southwestern Indian Ocean, is a biodiverse heaven with over 100 lemur species, each following unique evolutionary paths. Its tropical and subtropical forests vary from lush and humid evergreen forest in the east to intriguing spiny thickets in the south. Amidst nature's tapestry stands the grandmother baobab tree, over 1,600 years old, symbolizing the island's enduring heritage. The primary threats to the biodiversity encompass extensive deforestation through slash-and-burn farming and the production of wood charcoal. Land grabbing in the subarid region intensifies habitat destruction, exacerbates water scarcity, and strips local communities of their means of sustenance. Urgent action is needed to safeguard the precious ecosystems of Madagascar for the endemic biodiversity and the people.
What's the kind of support that Madagascar National Parks and other types of agencies actually need?
Madagascar National Parks manages 2,600,000 hectares, and we have about 600 agents who have to use the equipment. At the moment, we are doing adaptive management so that all managers can alert and see deforestation in these protected areas.
Actions like removing invasive prickly pears and planting endemic trees, such as baobabs, are steps towards restoring the lost balance. While climate change in Madagascar is poorly documented, it remains a real concern.
It looks like we are globally going back to a kind of normal situation. Though it looks normal, but it is not normal. We observe more plants that give flowers, but we do not have fruits afterwards.
What can WRI and its partners do?
What we can do more is to provide more capacity building and to also update our tools to really answer the needs of the partners. Yeah. We also need to conduct more research.
Madagascar cradles a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living testament to the marvels of our planet. Let us unite and endeavor to conserve and protect this delicate paradise, ensuring that its beauty flourishes for generations to come.